Okay, so we got like a new like cat scratcher thing for our kittens that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna show you it. Here, wait a sec. Okay, now it's taller than me. Here it is. There's Brownie in the top. And there's more right there. There's these little strings with a ball on there. But it came with other little strings, and they ripped them off on the first day. So yeah, there's a house right there, a house down here, and yeah. Oh here, wait, I'll show you. Right next to me, I'll show you it. You see it right there? It's gonna be a little hard to look at it. Right there's okay. Cool. Okay, so look. Here's me standing next to it. This one goes back here. You can't really see it because the wall's blocking it, but it's taller than me. Phew. Okay. So, yeah.